Hey there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into WorkTerra. It's very simple and quick step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your WorkTerra account in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. You can use like any web browser you'd like. I prefer web browser that is like Google Chrome. Let's tap into that. On the very top, you can see search bar. Let's tap into that and type in WorkTerra login. This we're going to log in and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one. It may take a while depending on your internet connection. And there you go. That's it. You'll be like logged in. Great with this login page. All you gotta do is type in your username and your password, of course, even your company's name. Like one thing is that I'm typing in like random numbers, but you have to type in your like actual information. So yeah, if you've forgotten password, don't need to worry at all. You can simply tap in that forgot password option and it will help you through. Now all we gotta do is tap in that green button that is login and you'll be logged into your WorkTerra account. That's it. If you have any queries, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. That's it. And if you want more helpful tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.